Whenever you think of making money online, that term affiliate marketing seems to come up. I'm not about to talk to you like you don't know what it is, but I am going to share with you today the most lucrative and beneficial affiliate marketing program out there right now. And it is not going to exist forever. So if you like what you hear, you're going to want to jump on it. All right, stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. So you heard right. If you've seen any of the influencers out there talking about how much money they've made on YouTube, sometimes at the end of those videos, they talk about that they've actually made more money through affiliate marketing. Now, simply put, affiliate marketing is you mentioning a business or product, usually by pointing down to a link down below in the description, like I often do. And if the viewer watches it and buys or uses that product or business, then you get a small commission. So before I tell you about some of the best affiliate marketing programs out there right now, please don't forget to drop a like for this video. And I just opened access to our private Discord server. Feel free to check it out. Now, stick with me here because I'm about to name the affiliate programs and how they work. And if you have any questions, again, you can leave me a comment down below. All right, the first affiliate marketing program that I wanted to share with you today is one called the ERC Specialist Affiliate Program. Now, ERC stands for Employee Retention Credit. And basically, the way that this works is during the governmental shutdowns of 2020 and 2021, businesses with W-2 employees were suffering. And the federal government said, hey, listen, businesses, if you can retain your employees, if you can keep them on even though business may not be the same, then we'll give you a payroll tax credit. Well, all of a sudden people were like, how do I process that? So there is a company called the ERC Specialist out of Utah. And for the past year, they've been helping business owners with W-2 employees qualify and file this credit with the IRS. Now, I mentioned that you might want to jump on this opportunity because you only have up to 3 years from the date you file your payroll reports with the IRS to claim this credit retroactively. Now, I've done videos on how to apply and who qualifies, so be sure to check those out. But in terms of affiliate marketing, you're not going to believe the amount of money you can help not only your friends and neighbors and network make, but also receive back to you. So here's how it works. When people qualify for the employee retention credit, their business can get up to $26,000 per W-2 employee. This is going to be for years 2020 and 2021. Well, as the person that brought this information and education to them, whether you're helping your local plumber, the guy who did your roof, the ERC specialists are going to take it from there, process that business owner's ERC credits. And the IRS is slow. It's going to take forever, 4 to 6 months, maybe even 8 months if they're backed up. But then you can receive a commission from the ERC specialists in the amount of 20% of the fee they collect. So the fees vary, but on average, the commissions could be in the thousands of dollars per business that you bring. So let's just say hypothetically, you get your cup of coffee every day from the local cafe. You do a little bit of business like with the local, neighbors who walk the dogs or the guy that cuts the grass. You bring this information to those business owners. You share your link or you tell them to put their name down when they fill out the free questionnaire. And again, I'll leave a link down below in the description to all of this. And then if they qualify for something like $100,000 in payroll tax credit, they're going to be like through the roof. ERC specialist is going to collect their fee, and then whether that's between 10 or 15%, they give you a cut of 20% or higher. So I'll just cut to the chase. You might be looking at anywhere between 2 and 4% of the credit recovered. So yeah, this could be very lucrative for you and very beneficial for the business owners that you help educate and actually get this credit. So I'll leave a link down below in the description to the ERC Specialist Affiliate Program, but I didn't want to leave you without a few other of my favorite affiliate programs. These ones might be old favorites for some of my viewers, but for everybody else, feel free to also check those out. The first one is going to be Amazon Associates. This is Old Faithful. Anytime that you recommend a product or something that you use around the house, it could be the lights that you buy for your YouTube studio. It could be the camera you have for the baby monitor. you are able to link to that. And whether you have a newsletter, you text it to somebody, send it in an email, post it online, anytime somebody clicks that link and buys something on Amazon, not just that product, anything in like a couple day window, you receive a small commission. Honestly, it used to be better. It's pretty small, but the more products you recommend, or the more texts or emails or things you send out, that could be a pretty healthy commission month after month. Moving on, up next, I wanted to talk about one that I was using a few years back. It was one of the first I ever found after Amazon Associates, and it's called Flex Offers. Flex Offers is basically a one-stop shop for almost any brand you can think of. If you want to talk about the streaming service Hulu, if you want to talk about Microsoft products, if you want to talk about like Samsung or Macy's, you essentially can link to any of these brands. And if people use your link and then go and make a purchase or sign up for that service, then you can get a commission. What I love about Flex Offers, and like I said, I've been using it for years, is that they just have such a wide variety of partnership opportunities available. For me in the finance space, I can recommend a bank account. For you, if you want to do like a YouTube channel on recipes or a blog on electronics, they have something for everybody to link to. So again, I'll leave links down below in the description to all three of these affiliate programs. A couple of key takeaways. I am not that good of a salesman. I'm much better at teaching or being an educator. I've told family and friends about some of these affiliate programs, specifically the ERC Specialist Affiliate Program, and it just doesn't seem like most people's cup of tea. But to me, I love talking about money. I love teaching the money lessons that you've never learned in school. And when a government program pops up that's available only for a few years, and it can help the businesses that you rely on to help keep your family going, help keep that roof over your head from not leaking, I think it is up to us to not let the government keep those businesses money, rather tell them about a program like ERC and not only get them that money, but receive a small commission while kind of doing your good service for the community. It's really win-win for everyone. Also, I love shopping Amazon. I honestly don't know many people who are anti-Amazon, but I do know that if you are ever thinking about creating any sort of content, I've got friends out there that have content channels on Instagram for people who love reading books. I've got another YouTube creator, shout out to Alana, who has a whole blog on cruising and cruise tips and what you should buy and travel. She has a very successful YouTube channel also, so feel free to check her out. And then I even have a friend who makes puppets. He's a puppeteer. He's been in the performing arts for years. And all three of those types of creators, creative types of people, can use Amazon Associates to link to their products and again, receive a small commission if people buy something from that platform. And as you dive deeper down this well of affiliate marketing, a company like Flex Offers really opens itself up to anyone who loves doing like review type content. What's better, DoorDash versus, Uber Eats or Hulu versus, Disney Plus. It allows you to review content in a way where whether you pick the winner or it's a tie, you can still link to some of those services after just having talked about them. And again, give people maybe like a coupon code or a discount for signing up, and you get a little bit of a kickback on your end. As always, I'll leave affiliate links down below in the description to all three of these affiliate programs. I gotta say that ERC Specialist one really is the best one going right now. So if this video does well, of course, I'll make another one in 6 months or a year, and we can kind of check out what's working then. Also, I don't want to forget, I have a ton more resources available on my website. We're talking YouTube videos, podcasts, blog posts, so feel free, please, to check that out. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. All right, as always, I'm Rich, and until next time.